Good morning, students. Myself VP Kolesar from Lecturing Mechanical Engineering Department. Today I will discuss your scheme for fifth semester. Okay, there are five subjects for you in this semester. First is management. The course abbreviation MAN. Course code 22509. The lecture schedule is 3 for a week. Then for management subject there is online exam for 70 marks, minimum duration 90 marks, minimum passing 28. There is progressive assessment for 30 marks, means 20 marks for your test and 10 marks of micro project. The then mixed total is out of 100. Okay. Another subject power engineering and refrigeration, means PER, course code 22562. Theory lecture for a week 3, 2 hours for practicals, total credit 5. Exam duration in hours 3 hours and 70 marks paper, minimum 28. 30 marks for progressive assessment, similarly 20 marks for tests and 10 marks for micro project. Also their ESC exam, means external practical of PR, is 25 marks and progressive assessment for 25 marks, means total the weightage of your subject is 150 marks. Similarly in AMP subject, credit course code 22563, total lectures for practical hours for credit 8, exam duration 3. Similarly 70 marks for your ESC theory, 28 minimum to pass, 30 marks for PA, means 20 for tests, 10 for micro project. Okay, and there is 50 marks for the ESC, 50 marks external practical. Okay, and minimum pass 20, progressive assessment another 50 marks, minimum pass 20, means the subject AMP is for 200 marks total. Then elements of machine design EMD, sub course code 22564, lecture 4, practical 2 marks, 2 hours, exam duration 4 hours. Okay, please note that exam duration for EMD is 4 hours. Then ESC for 70 marks, minimum 28. Similarly 30 marks for progressive assessment, means 20 for tests, 10 for micro project. Total 40. ESC 25, means internal, and progressive assessment 25, and the weightage of whole subject is 150. Then elective means anyone, means you have selected any one elective from our department. Elective selected is power plant engineering, means PPE. The subject is 22566. Teaching scheme, lecture 3 hours, practical duration 2, total credit 5, and exam duration 3 hours. ESC for 70 marks, progressive assessment 30, another 20 marks for test, 10 marks for micro project, total 100. 25 marks for your ESC, minimum 10, progressive assessment 25, and the whole weightage of your subject is 150. Similarly industrial training 22049. In industrial training, all your class have attended industrial training in last 2-3 months, means after the completion of your fourth semester. And in industrial training, practical was 6, credit 6, and there is 75 marks for your ESE, means 75 marks for your external viva, and 75 marks for your training, means in 75 marks your mentor should give marks and your industrial experts give you the marks, and the total weightage of ITR is 150 marks. Capstone project planning, means CPP 22050, 2 marks for practical, 2 lectures for practical, 2 hours, total credit 2, 25 marks internal, 25 marks external, means total weightage is 50 marks. Solid modeling and additive manufacturing SMA 22053, practical was 4, credit 4, 50 marks for external. There is an external practical for SMA, 50 marks, and 50 marks internal. In means the total weightage of your subject is 100 marks. Okay, so in fifth semester your grand total is out of 1050.